starting a new reading program today. For most lessons, you'll need a textbook, a workbook, a pencil, a colored pen or pencil, and lined paper. All right, find lesson 1 in your textbook. Great, you're already on that page. Touch column 1. Word 1 is female. What word?
Female.
Spell female. Get ready?
F-E-M-A-L-E.
Let's try that one more time. Spell female. Get ready.
F-E-M-A-L-E.
Great job. Girls and women are females. Everybody, what do we call girls and women?
Females.
Word 2 is select. What word?
Select.
Spell select. Get ready.
S-E-L-E-C-T.
When you select something, you choose it. Everybody, what's another way of saying she chose the small salad?
She selected the small salad.
Great job. Word 3 is migration. What word?
Migration.
Migration is a long journey that animals make every year. Animals migrate to the same place year after year. Word 4 is Florida. What word?
Florida.
Spell Florida. Get ready.
F-L-O-R-I-D-A.
Florida is one of the states in the United States. Let's read those words again, the fast way. Word 1, what word?
Female.
Word 2, what word?
Select.
Word 3, what word?
Migration.
Word 4, what word?
Florida.
Awesome job. You guys got those words right the first time. Find column 2. Good. All of these words have endings. Word 1, what word?
Months.
Word 2, what word?
Yearly.
Word 3, what word?
Ponds.
Word 4, what word?
Lonely.
Word 5, what word?
Markings.
Awesome job. We're moving on to column 3. Find column 3. Thank you. Word 1, what word?
Henry.
Word 2, what word?
Chest.
Word 3, what word?
Goose.
Word 4, what word?
Geese.
Word 5, what word?
Flapping.
You guys are doing such a great job getting those words right the first time you read them. Find column 4. Word 1, what word?
Male.
Men and boys are males. Everybody, what do we call men and boys?
Males.
Great job. Word 2, what word?
Migrate.
Word 3, what word?
Shorter.
Word 4, what word?
Hatch.
Let's read those words again. You guys did a great job the first time, but we'll read them again. Word 1, what word?
Male.
Word 2, what word?
Migrate.
Word 3, what word?
Shorter.
Word 4, what word?
Hatch.
Great job. All right, we are going to start reading the story, but before we do that, I want you guys to take individual turns reading some of those words we just practiced. Kendra, will you choose 3 words from column 3 to read?
Henry, goose, and geese.
Great job. John, will you choose 3 words from column 1 to read?
Female, select, migration.
Great. Bailey, from column 4, will you choose 2 words to read?
Male and migrate.
Great job, guys. All right. Find part B in your textbook. Great job. You're going to read a story about a goose named Henry. First, you'll read the information passage. It gives some facts about geese. I'll call on individual students to read. Everybody else follow along and point to the words being read. If you don't have your place when I call on you, you lose your turn. Everybody, touch the title. Kendra, what's the title?
Facts about geese.
Everybody, what's the title?
Facts about geese.
Great job. All right, Bailey, will you start us off and read the first part of the story?
You're going to read a story about geese. Both geese and ducks are water birds, but geese are a lot bigger than ducks.
Great job. Everybody, which are bigger, geese or ducks?
Geese.
John, will you pick up reading there?
There are many different kinds of geese. Snow geese are white. The geese in the story you'll read are Canada geese. They are gray, black, and white. The picture shows a person standing near ducks, snow geese, and Canada geese.
Good job. Everybody, touch the ducks. Touch the snow geese. What color are they?
White.
White. Touch the Canada geese. Good.
Male geese and female geese have the same color and markings, but male geese are bigger than female geese.
Everybody, look at the ducks in the picture. Does the male duck look like the female duck?
No.
But the female goose and the male goose look the same. Touch the male Canada goose. Great job. How do you know which goose is male? Kendra?
It's bigger.
It's bigger. Good. The male goose is bigger than the female goose. Kendra, will you pick up reading on the next page?
Baby geese hatch from eggs that are a lot bigger than chicken eggs. The babies are born in June. They are yellow, but as they grow older, they change color. Geese are not full grown by the time they are a year old.
Everybody, in which month are geese born?
June.
What color are they?
Yellow.
Are they full grown at the end of 1 year?
No.
Are they full grown at the end of 1 year?
No.
All right, John. Will you read the next passage?
When geese are 3 years old, they mate for the first time. Each female goose selects a mate, and the two geese stay together until one of them dies. As you will find out in the story, it may be a long time before one of them dies.
Everybody, how old are geese when they mate for the first time?
3.
Good. Yes, they're 3 years old when they mate for the first time. After a male and female goose mate, how long do they stay together, Bailey?
Until one of them dies.
Very true. All right. Find part A in your workbook. Good job. The questions in part A are about geese. I'll read each question and call on someone to answer it. Follow along. Don't write anything until I tell you to write. What's the name of the geese that are all white? Kendra.
Snow geese.
Good. What's the name of geese that are gray and black and white? Bailey.
Canada geese.
Great job. Both geese and ducks are water birds, but blank are a lot bigger. What's the answer? John.
Geese.
Great job. You can tell male geese from female geese because blank. The choices are male geese have brighter colors, male geese are larger, and male geese have longer feathers. What's the answer, Kendra?
Male geese are larger.
Great job. Male geese are larger. Later, you'll underline that answer. Okay? Item 5. What color are all geese when they are born? Bailey?
Yellow.
Item 6. How old are geese when they mate for the first time? Kendra?
3 years old.
Item 7. After male and female geese mate, they stay together blank. The choices are for the summer, for a full year, and until one goose dies. John, what's the answer?
Until one goose dies.
Great job. Later, you'll underline that answer too. Now, you're going to write answers for part A without looking at the passage. Read item 1 to yourself and write the answer. Raise your hand when you've done that much. Great job. You'll do items 8 through 16 later. All right. Find part C in your textbook. You're going to read this story. The error limit for this story is 5 errors. If you make more than 5 errors, you'll read the story again. Remember to follow along when someone else is reading. Everybody touch the title. Good. John, what's the title?
Old Henry.
Good. Everybody, what's the title?
Old Henry.
Good. So what's this story about?
Henry.
Henry.
Old Henry.
Good. Yes, let's try that again. What's this story going to be about, class?
Old Henry.
Great job. All right, Bailey, will you start reading the story?
The other geese called him Old Henry. His name tells you one thing about him. He was old. Most geese live about 30 years. That's a long time for a bird. But Old Henry was 35 years old.
Why was he called Old Henry, Kendra?
Because most geese live till 30, but he was 35.
Right, so he was
Old.
old. Everybody, what kind of animal was Old Henry?
Goose.
Right, a goose. How old do most geese get, John?
30 years old.
Good. Everybody, how old was Old Henry?
35 years old.
Great job. Kendra, will you pick up reading where Bailey is